This is Kevin's car. We're about to hear it in action though in a second, right when we dip right here. Or not. That's pretty cute. Look at me, bro. I'm going 45, bro. Hella fast.